How I use an AI assistant manager to manage my work. First, we create tasks just by talking. Create a task in maintenance space for Sarah to inspect conveyor belt tension due tomorrow and message Mimi to oversee it. Done. It creates the task, puts it in the right space, notifies Sarah, and also sends a message to Mimi to oversee it. Sarah gets all her work in one place. Whenever she's done with the task, she can move it from to do to done. So everyone knows what work's done and what's left. Wanna get reports? Which tasks are overdue in quality assurance and ask assignees for an update. And bam, it's done. We can see the report and the messages have been sent. If plans change, just let it know. Put all tasks related to batch 34 as high priority and shift their deadlines to this Friday. And it's done. We can see that the priority and due date have been updated. Let's see how it helps us stay on track. Is everything related to production scheduling in PPC on track? It answers in seconds and I can see what's delayed. You can even automate work. If at Friday 6 p.m. review inspection reports task is still not done, remind Sunny. It's Friday 6 pm. Zigzag has checked that the task is still not done and sent a reminder on my behalf to Sunny. You can use this for literally any future work. Every Monday morning, send me a list of all tasks that went overdue the week before. It's Monday morning, and now every Monday morning I get a report of what all is delayed. Basically, it does your repetitive work for you and reminds you and others on your behalf. Zigzag is also your meeting note taker. During meetings, turn on the meeting mode. And once you're done, it will transcribe the meeting, summarize it, and create a clear to-do list from which you can create tasks and reminders that were discussed during the meeting directly. Zigzag even creates daily schedules for everyone. It's not just a random to-do list but a high-impact plan made after considering task priorities, due dates, and durations to make sure everything stays on track. Zigzag even manages your knowledge. Ask questions and it will answer from your docs. The CNC machine's motor has shut down. From docs, tell me how we can fix it. And you get a concise answer to how it can be solved. It even edits docs for you. Add today's case for CNC 045 fixed by Marcus in 2 hours by replacing motor fuse. It adds the content in the perfect formatting at the right place. This is Zigzag AI. It's the smartest, easiest, fastest assistant to help you manage your work.